Welcome to another episode of CultureThing. Today we visit the Grand Palais in Paris as it transforms into a vibrant celebration of three revolutionary figures in modern art: Niki de Saint Phalle, Tinguely, and Pontus Hulten. This exhibition is a dazzling journey through a collaborative trio featuring over 200 works, many of which have never been seen together before, and also starts out the collaboration between the Grand Palais during the closure of the Beaubourg site of the Centre Pompidou for renovation. This exhibition looks back over Niki de Saint Phalle and Tinguely's creations through the prism of Pontus Hulten, who was the visionary first director of Centre Pompidou from 1977 to 1981 and a key player in their joint creative story, who brought their work to the world. Niki de Saint Phalle, the fearless creator of the iconic nanas, Tinguely, the master of kinetic sculpture, and Pontus Hulten, the visionary curator, was a trio that redefined what art could be. Their collaborations blurred the lines between painting, sculpture, performance, and even architecture, turning the act of viewing into an immersive, participatory experience. Niki de Saint Phalle's art was a rebellion against convention, against oppression, and against the silence surrounding women's experiences. The exhibition opens with her explosive shooting paintings, where she fired a rifle at bags of paint hidden beneath layers of plaster. Each shot was a release, a cathartic act that transformed violence into something bold and beautiful. Her nanas, those radiant, larger-than-life female figures, take center stage. These sculptures were her declaration of female power, exuberant and unapologetic. Works like La Rosade and Black Venus radiate joy and defiance, challenging the male-dominated art world of the 60s. One of the most striking pieces is Han, a monumental reclining woman created for the Stockholm Moderna Museum. Visitors entered through her legs to discover a wonderland inside, a cinema, a bar, even a fake weather station. It was art you could walk into, touch and experience, breaking down the barriers between viewer and artwork. Tinguely's sculptures were machines with souls, whirring, clanking, and sometimes self-destructing. His metamatics, a series of drawing machines, are a highlight of the exhibition. These whimsical contraptions create abstract art on their own, parodying the idea of the artist's hand. But Tinguely's most legendary work was Homage to New York, a massive kinetic sculpture designed to destroy itself in the Garden of MoMA. The exhibition includes rare sketches and footage of its chaotic, smoke-filled demise, a metaphor for the fleeting nature of art and life. His collaborations with Niki were pure magic. Le Paradis Fantastique, originally created for the Montreal World Fair, is a carnival of moving sculptures, part machine, part mythical creature. Tinguely built the mechanical skeletons, Niki brought them to life with color and whimsy. More than just a curator, Pontus Hulten was a pioneer who turned exhibitions into experiences. In 1962, he staged Diallaby in Amsterdam, transforming the Stedelijk Museum into an interactive playground. Visitors navigated tilted floors, rolling balls, and hidden passages, becoming active participants in the art. His most ambitious project was Le Cyclope, a 22-meter-tall sculpture hidden in the forest of Fontainebleau. Built over 2 decades by Niki, Tinguely, and their friends, this headless giant is filled with mirrors, moving parts, and surreal surprises. The exhibition includes sketches and models that reveal the sheer ambition behind this collective masterpiece. The exhibition unveils rarely seen treasures like Niki's preparatory sketches for Golem, a playground sculpture in Jerusalem shaped like a mythical monster. Children climb through its tongue slide and roaring mouth, art that's alive with energy and play. Tinguely's Requiem for a Dead Leaf offers a quiet moment, a delicate wire sculpture that trembles at the slightest touch, a poignant tribute to his late friend Yves Klein. Jean Tinguely and Niki de Saint Phalle married mainly to entrust each other with the posthumous care of their art, solidifying a bond of trust through both emotional and artistic collaboration. Don't miss the archival footage of Niki and Tinguely's at work, their laughter, their arguments, their shared vision. These clips capture the spirit of collaboration that defined their careers. Niki de Saint Phalle, Jean Tinguely, and Pontus Hulten created worlds. Worlds where machines danced, where women ruled, and where museums became places of wonder and rebellion. The exhibition highlights the key moments in their career of this legendary couple, united by unfailing artistic ties and a vision of art as an act of rebellion against the established norms. So step inside and explore, because their world is still ours to discover.